For today's nail art, we are going to be doing a Mickey Mouse design. My nails are already polished. I have red on my thumb and pointer, white on my middle and ring finger, and black on my pinky. And I'm adding a layer of liquid latex around all of the nails. On my middle finger, I'm going to be stamping Mickey Mouse using Sugar Bubbles stamping plate SV082. On my ring finger, I'm going to stamp this full nail image containing Mickey's ears, gloves, shoes, and shorts. On all my other nails, I'm going to be stamping white polka dots using Born Pretty stamping plate BP L013. Once my stamping's complete, I'm going to remove the liquid latex and add a top coat to all of my nails. Once the polish is dry, I'm going to start coloring in my design. I'm using alcohol ink markers from Spectrum, but regular Sharpies work just as well. I'm only going to color in the areas that are supposed to be red, so just Mickey's shorts and his mouth. Everything else I'm going to leave white. To make sure my marker stays red and doesn't wash out, I'm going to use a gel top coat. You can also use a water-based top coat. And here's the completed design. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more nail art ideas.